Yeah. You feel that wind start to pick up. The time is now. Sky turning gray, barometer dropping low. TV saying there's a new storm on the go. Ain't no time to play, no time to take it slow. That season's coming, putting on the monster show. Last year you waited, boarding up in the rain. Don't make that same mistake, you'll go through that pain. The time is now, get your shutters checked. Don't wait around till your property's wrecked. Hurricane season's coming, show some respect. Call John Shutters, they'll get you correct.
Hey there, I'm John with John Shutters in Aramco. Check out what we did here.
Check the boats, check the tracks, make sure they slide. No room for error when there's nowhere to hide. That wind and water, pushing with the tide. You need that peace of mind, secure what's inside. Family first, the bottom line. Protect your castle, make sure it shines. Wait, the time is now. Get your shutters checked. Don't wait around till your property's wrecked. Hurricane season's coming, show some respect. Call John Shutters, they'll get you correct. Let's go. Don't be the one caught in the dark. Be prepared right from the start. John Shutters. The time is down. You ready? Don't wait.
And just like that, 2 minutes ago, it was a wind tunnel through here. And now, nothing. Climate control, John Shutters and Aramco. We can do it for you next.
Yeah.